Today we are making Jimikand Ka Madra, which is also called yam. So let's get started. So this is how yam looks like. But please remember that we need to put some oil in our hands before chopping this. I've already done this, and this is how we need to chop, cube size. Now I'm going to add around 500 ml of oil. You can use any oil. I'm using groundnut oil. So this is around 500 grams of yam. And before we start cooking this, we need to deep fry this till golden brown. So this process usually takes 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, this is crispy golden fried now. And that's the time when you need to take out the yam from the oil. We are going to start making the curry. I'm adding around 250 ml of pure ghee. And the first thing here is going to be hing, some black cardamom, 1 clove, 1 stick of cinnamon, and of course, fennel seeds. It's time to add yogurt, which should be properly whisked before adding into the hot ghee. Keep stirring. This is the time when I'm going to add some powdered spices, Kashmiri mirch powder, some turmeric, coriander seed powder, and garam masala, salt according to taste. The sign when you can see that madra is being prepared is the oil coming on top and the yogurt being separated. Now, since we have made the base of madra, I'm going to add the yam. Now I'm going to add some fresh peas, which is totally optional. I love it with the yam. I feel it's a beautiful marriage. I'm going to give it a good mix now. See the beautiful color. I'm going to add around 200 ml of water now, and we'll allow this to cook for another 15 minutes. As you can see, the yam is cooked well. Madra is incomplete without dry fruits. So I'm going to add my favorite nuts, cashew nuts, and of course some raisins. This is around 50 grams of cashew nuts and 30 grams of raisins. Now we'll mix it well. Many people don't add ginger and green chilies, but of course there has to be some sherry take. This is optional. You can finish the dish with kasuri methi or fresh coriander leaves. So finally, Jimikand Ka Madra is ready to relish with hot and piping steaming rice. Do let us know in comments, how did you find the dish? You are watching Indian Food Diaries on Get Curried, and this is Chef Sherie signing off for now.